crypto day, and it should be on your daily food, the daily food of a crypto trader. As you plan to sleep and you plan to wake up to start your day, the few things you are supposed to do. And if you do these things, then it is very easy for you to become a successful investor, stroke a trader, and that is the game of the day. So, what are those three things that you are supposed to do? I'll share my screen and dive into just one or two of them very fast in the morning, and then we get started. So, I hope I'm sharing my screen, and then we move. All right. So, what are those three things you are supposed to do? I may not finish all of them because all may not be appearing here on my screen. But the first thing is to log into a website called coinmarketcap.com every morning. It is a must if you are a crypto trader, you're a crypto investor. And what are the first things you are supposed to do when you get here? One, when you open your coinmarketcap.com, the first thing is to collect some diamonds. These, they may not have any use for now, but they help you be able to collect. So you visit the page and collect some few diamonds, but this is not a must. It's something for free, and you are not paid for doing it. Okay, so you collect your diamonds either using the app or either using the website. So then you plan to get back tomorrow for the same thing. Having collected your diamonds, you can come in here on the crypto page, which is this, and you want to look at how cryptocurrencies have behaved. You need to be enlightened by the prices, the market cap, the trading volume, and you see the market cap is down to over $1 trillion, $1.9 trillion. It's less than $2 trillion. Then you need to look at the index. We are still in a fear. We are not. We are moved from the extreme fear of the market. We are still in the fear, but not yet in the greed. So it means there is more opportunity in the market. So having looked at that, then I will be able to scroll down in the chart. I'll be able to scroll down in the chart. And when I reach here, just a minute. Just a minute. So you need to come here, but now you come in here at the prices in the last 24 hours, or you can even do in the last 1 hour. In the last 1 hour, and you want to find coins that are the most negative, both in the 1 hour and in the 24 hours. Then you can even take it into the 7 days. The coins that have performed poorly. So the coins that have performed poorly. And you need to take advantage. Okay, now you see in the last 7 days, the coins that have performed poorly, one of them that has gone most negative is Dogworth Hat. I'm talking about someone who wants to be a crypto investor, a crypto trader. You want to look for coins either in the last 7 days, or either in the last 5 days, or either in the last 24 hours, coins that have gone most negative. And one of them is Dogworth Hat. Another one is Ethereum name service, ENS. Another one is the Rune called the Theo chain. Another one is Pepe. Okay. Another one is AR. Another one is Beam. Another one is C. Another one is odd. This one has really gone very down. Another one is injective. Another one is LDO. Another one is flocky. Another one is phantom. Another one is artificial super intelligence alliance, that is FET. Another one is Jams coin. Another one is near protocol. Another one is Pyth network. Okay. Another one is Markham. Another one is Bitcoin BSV. Another one is Tax. Another one is Gala. Another one is BRT. Another one is GRT. And GRT, you see, is one of the coins that are doing well right now in Royal Q, are up around over 64%. Another one is Stacknet. So you could pick the top 10 that are negative. And what are you supposed to do as a trader? The formula is simple. These coins have been doing bad for the last 7 days, and they have opportunity. Let me give one of my lovely coin phone. I've already positioned this coin to buy me the coming iPhone 16, and I'm just gonna raise close to over $200 in it. I'll sell it when this coin hits $5. And the big question could be, how do I know how much profit I'll make? I also recommend a simple website, and this website is called crypto crypto. How is the word crypto getting out of my? Why is the word crypto getting out of my typing? Crypto profit calculator. Crypto profit calculator. So I come in here and I want to calculate my profit. Remember, in my training classes, I made something very important, and I said that in one of my crypto lessons, what's up? In one of my crypto lessons, hey, what's up? I wanted to write something, but Phantom Wallet. I've been hijacked by the browsers, but just a minute. I want to get them sorted. No. No extensions, please. No extension. Which extension you want to connect? No. I'm not interested. Okay, so I don't want. Whose wallet do you want to manage? You calculate. Go and rest in peace. So you want to come in here and you want to search for the name of the coin. So I'll put in Wafi Hat Dog, which is this one. It is one of the most negative points. If I want to maybe stay in for some time, I'm buying at that price. Let me say I go in with $500 and I'm going in for long term. Okay. So I come in here. I will exit selling price. I want to sell when this coin hits $5. Okay. I want to sell when this coin hits $5. Okay. That is the exit. I will not go in for any fees to pay. It means when this I buy at this price and I sell at $5, by the time I will have sold this coin, my profit will be 1,314. But this coin can go up to even $10. So my $500 in the long term will be $3,628. So this, you can use this if you want to go in long term. But the reason why you want to come and check in these profits, that is very little money. Yeah, that is very little money. It cannot excite me. $3,000 cannot excite me. It's very little money. I'm here for millions, so that one is not exciting. So you want to come in here and look for the most negative coin, the coin that has performed poorly, either in the 7 days or either in the 24 hours, and go and plan to find that coin and trade it. As simple as that. There is no big deal. Okay, you can use coin market cap, you can use Royal Q, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, because it usually gives you a picture of how the market is doing in the long run or in a week time frame. And you can always make a decision to plan to see if you could make some entries and then plan to see if you can make some exits in the market. As a trader, it is important every single day. You can use coin market cap as an agitator. You can also use CoinGecko as an agitator. And here on CoinGecko, the same story. When you open up your CoinGecko, come here, collect some candies. It is just as collect some candies, come down here, look at the last gainers. They want me to log in. Want me to log in. Continue with Google just by logging in, signing up. Continue with this one. The network is not networking, but basically collect some candies as a basic. I will leave this. I will not go into this. Collect some candies, look at the top gainers, look at the top losers. The most important thing is to look at the top losers, okay? You don't look for the top gainers, you look for the top losers. And the top losers, that's where you put your focus. I hope you have been able to learn something. I hope you have been able to learn something. And if you have been able to learn something, give me a one in the chat. I hope you have been able to learn something. So you collect some candies. These are free of charge. Just to collect them, they may not look to have a big deal, but usually there are some few opportunities here and there. So you come here, look at the market. The market cap here on CoinGecko sits at $2 trillion. The volume is 261 billion that has been traded. There are different events here. These are, no, I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. I don't want to. So I want to just come in here to cryptocurrencies and then see how they are performing. You look at the top gainers and the top losers every single day. The most important thing is to look at the top gainers and the top losers in the market. Okay. I'm not telling you to make any investment. You just want to watch and be updated to what is happening in the market. See, there is a coin here called Note. I don't know, it's not the Note coin. It's here and it's up by 116%. Okay, but your focus should be on these ones. Okay, you can see even different categories that are leading in the market: artificial intelligence, smart contract platforms, Bitcoin capitalizations. Then you can come here in 7 days, see the coins that have performed poorly. You need to look for losers, you need to look for gainers. Your focus should always be on losers because the money is on losers. Even in your Royal Queue when you want to trade, you don't focus on coins that are doing well. You put your focus on coins that are doing poorly. That's where the money usually is. Okay? The money is not usually, you see even here, the coins that are doing poorly the last 7 days. So it means Dog One Hat is also doing badly here. Another one is Pepe. So you want to plan, you want to ascertain with coins that are doing poorly. That's where the opportunity is usually. So I will close up my charts and then switch to trading view as our main class for today. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Solana is back to $140. Yesterday, we also, Solana was down to over $120, which was an amazing opportunity. I told you it's a rare one, over 112, $10. I expect Solana to, if you can go in long in here for Solana, you are this person who is very patient, you can take a very long position, meaning you can enter Solana at where it is and you wait it to break its new all-time high or the high that it had formed previously. And by entering Solana to where it is just picking up randomly, Solana could still pay you a 37%, close to a 30% take profit without any decrease. So if you are this person who wants to go in long with Royal Q, I would advise you there is a free token here that can multiply your money by 30%, take profit. If you can stay in for some good time, if you are not a weak trader, Solana is one of the trades you can take comfortably, and it will give you your 30% take profit confidently without any decree or disclosure. So let's now focus on our lesson. As we are finishing this last part of our trading experience, count to give us the results we are looking for. And we have looked at several things. We are just now doing our final touches on this topic. And then I will put the end to this topic and switch on to another thing. So today, my major focus, by the way, if you want to trade Solana and you are not ready to stay in for some time and be patient, please don't pick it up. Yeah, it's for people who are very patient with markets. If you are not, please don't. You better go and focus on the signals that are being posted on the groups because you might get pressure for nothing. Another coin that I saw that gave a rare opportunity is WLD. I saw WLD get back to over $1. And another coin that has a very strange opportunity is 1,000 sats. Yes, that one, you can even put it in a cycle until Bitcoin returns to its new all-time high. It also has a very strange opportunity. Okay, so let's now dive into our lesson for today. I'm not going to delay or take much of your time. Friends and business partners across the world, as we dive into our lesson for today, we are finishing up this amazing topic called setting up your robot. And yesterday we looked at the symbols. We said that you want to make sure that your symbols are okay by the body. You want to find a green body and a red light because we are using a background. We came to canvas here and we said someone has a right to choose the color of the canvas. They want to see the gradient, the background is dark. So the gradient here is black. So we have the vertical lines, these ones that pass through our screen. And by the end of the day, we looked at all these parameters here. And we say the bars on the right and the bars on the left. I usually go in with the margins of around 8% so that I could have a clear view. Now, today, I want to put my focus on trading. Today, I want to put my focus on trading as one of the most important areas or parameters of focus as a trader. And here we are just looking at how to set up your robot. So we are not so much into not setting up your robot. You know, the robot is always in my mind. We are putting our focus on how to make your trading view look. Now here you want to see buy and sell buttons. So when I remove them, they will disappear. But here, whenever a buyer buys, you see. Whenever a seller sells, you see at top here. Instant order placement. Whenever there is someone who places the order, you see. Whenever there is someone who places the order, you see. So you can be able to monitor that up there at this corner here. Is my screen visible? I want to know if people are following. Play sound executes. Do you want to hear notification? Whenever there is an execute of a trade. But to me, all of this to me is not important. Maybe a buy and a sell order. Then down here, we have events. Down here, we have appearance, positions. Okay, whenever there is a trade, a profit or loss, a reverse button, an order. Let me see if I could show this much more easier. Basically, order executes and positions on your screen, extended price lines for position. So this one is just an extended line. So if you are interested in having them appear on your chart, you can have them. If you are not interested, you can leave them. Lastly, these are events and ideas. Okay, if you want ideas of other people to appear in your chart as a trader, what other people think about trading, what other people think about the markets. So they can always be able to appear on your chart. Whenever someone has an idea about the markets, so you will find that your chart has those ideas seated in. Whenever someone has an idea about your chart, when you come to check your chart, you'll find that that person's idea is appearing in your chart. And this could help you make a better decision if you are not good. So economic events, okay, session breaks. I personally do not like session breaks because they usually appear in the chart and cause a lot of confusion. But basically, economic events, whenever there will be events in the market on a particular coin, you'll be able to know. Future events, you may say you want only future events. So these are just news across a certain cryptocurrency that you are trading. The latest news, the mindset, you want some alerts when this is going to happen, you can be able to have them. For example, I have allowed ideas. So what someone is thinking about Solana. For example, down here, okay, this one has an idea. So when I open and I tap one of the dots that is appearing on my screen, I can get someone's idea about what I'm trying to talk about. So someone could give me an idea about what he thinks. The idea is an idea. I don't know. I don't know if I'm making sense. The idea is an idea. It doesn't mean that it's something permanent. I'm just waiting for the idea of this person to appear. I'm just waiting for the idea of this person to appear. I'm just waiting for the idea of this person to appear. But I've stopped it now. Yeah, I've stopped waiting. Let me try this one. So this one gave an idea that this coin will be continuing to $164. So these ideas, they are just ideas. So when they are in your chart, they could help you if you are not sure about your trading. Look at other people's ideas on what they think about their trading experience. Friends, when it comes to this topic to do with when it comes to this topic to do with setting up your trading view, I want to just end it with just a few things you will be able to surface. On the top here, we have the name of the coin that I've chosen. We have the time, 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day, and 1 week. Then here we have candles. And these candles come in different types when we tap on this arrow. We have bars. If someone says, me, I want to look the market using bars, you can use bars. Okay. We have candles, the ordinary candles. If you say for you, you want to look at the market using candles, it's okay. We have hollow candles. And these ones, they have spaces into the body. We have volume candles. But this one now they want me to pay. I wish them the best. I will not pay my money. We have line. If you want to look at the market. By the way, when we shall be dealing with drawing support and resistance, we shall use the line so much. Yes, because the line is one of the parameters you use, and they always give you an amazing result when it comes to trading. So when it comes to support and resistance, you'll see us now introduce the lines. These dots have also become a problem. So let me just wish these dots a nice time. So I'll come here to events, ideas. You again. Go. They have over congested my screen. Okay, then you can decide to say you want a line with marks. So it will here. You'll be able to get a line with marks. But I don't want to take a lot of time with all these. There is one I know about, and it is one I have taught, and I know teams that use this trading strategy. And these are what we call hacking ash candles. What are hacking ash candles? I just want to define them for you as I come to the end of this topic. What are hacking ash candles? What are hacking ash candles? And I just want to define them for you so that you understand what hacking ash candles are and how they work. Okay, so where is electricity? Now, friends, hacking ash candles are candles that one, they don't provide current price. They don't provide. What's happening with my pen? My blackboard. My blackboard is not very good. They do not provide current price. Okay, so when you look at this price here, you'll find that it is not the current price in ordinary candles. You see, the price is 139.50. So let's return back to ordinary candles. You see, the current price of this coin. How many of you have seen that? The current price of this coin is 140.446. How many of you have seen that? The Hakinash candles do not provide the current price. Okay. The current price in the market. Okay. They do not provide current prices. Okay. They do not provide current prices. And I'm going to give you what they provide. Okay. I'm going to give you what they provide. So, these Hakinash candles have a behavior. One, let me just come back here. The market is becoming very one. These Akinash candles, they usually form two types of candles, and I need to be very straight with you. One, they form a green candle that is flat at the bottom with the wick at the top. My pencil is refusing, even it's drawing without me drawing. But technology, I will learn to use you even when you don't want. So I will learn to use you even when you don't want. Finally I've drawn. This one I'll rub away. Also this one. So they will form, it will form a red candle that is flat at the top. The red candle will be flat at the top, while the green candle will be flat at the bottom. Okay, when the green candle comes up, it will be flat at the bottom. The formation of the green candle will be flat at the bottom. So the other one is that it will be flat at the bottom with a wick at the top. Also, the red candle will be flat at the top with a wick at the bottom. That's the major difference. And I'm going to explain why this happens. Now, what does this inform you? When you see continuous green candles that are flat at the bottom with a wick at the top, it is trying to show you that the market is on an uptrend. But when the market is going to change from being a downward trend to an uptrend, they will always form either a red candle or a green candle that has a wick at the bottom and a wick at the top. This shows trend reversal. It is trying to inform you that the market that was going down is now going to change to the market that is going up. If it was a red candle, for example, here, if it was a green candle, there were green candles forming through. Then you see a red candle with the wick at the top and the wick at the bottom. It's trying to show you that it's trend reversal. The trend of this market is going to change from being an uptrend to a downtrend. Now, the other issue is these Haki Nash candles, they give an average price. The market, you will not see green candles or you will not see red candles unless the market has changed 50% of its direction. For example, let me say the market has been falling down. Unless it rises 50% of the direction, that's when you will see the green candles appear. So what do we use Haki Ash candles for? One, to keep in the market. To keep in the market. I was trading Solana. I'm worried that the market is now becoming bearish. I changed from ordinary candles to Haki Hash to see how the market is behaving. I discover that it's still showing me green candles that have a wick on the top and flat at the bottom. This implies to me that the trend of the market is still continuing. But when I come and I see that it has formed either a green or red candle with the wick at the top and the wick at the bottom, this signifies to me that the trend that was an upward trend is now changing. It's going to become a downward trend. So we use these to keep in the market. Why? Because they help to maintain the trend of the market. So you can be strict to know that whether this coin is continuing on an upward trend or this coin is continuing on a downward trend. When you see the Haki Nash candles forming green consistent candles that are flat at the bottom with a wick at the top, or forming red consistent candles that are trying to show you that are flat at the bottom with a wick at the top. This signifies to you that the market is still maintaining that trend. So the main reason why I recommend people to check out on Haki Nash candles is that they help you maintain the trend of the market. But I don't advise anyone to use Haki Nash candles for technical analysis. Why? Because they do not provide the current price of the market. They provide the average performance of the market. Give me a yes in the chat if I've cleared with you with Haki Nash candles. Give me a yes in the chat. Or you have a question about Haki Nash candles, please do. Give me a yes in the chat. Give me a yes in the chat if I've cleared with you when it comes to Haki Nash candles. Give me a yes in the chat. So don't use them for technical analysis because basically they do not provide the current price of the market. But you can use them to see if the trend, because remember we said the market is not your friend, but the trend of the market can be your friend. Okay. So I'm done with Haki Nash candles. Now let me switch on to something else. From here, we have indicators. On the top of your screen here, we have indicators. And these indicators are many. These indicators are very many. But when we shall get to indicators, we shall be able to discuss details. And indicators have favorite, have personal, have technicals, have financials, and have community. Now here is that when I want to look for an indicator, I usually come here on technicals. And what do I do? I type in the name of the indicator. Let me say the auto fib extension, which is here. And after finding it, I click on it. When I click on it, it joins my favorite. So it means it has become my favorite. So if I want it to appear on my screen, I tap on it once. I tap on it once. And when I tap on it once, it will come in my chart. And so it means the indicator I have picked here is the auto fill extension. Okay, it is the auto fill extension, which is already in my chart above, which we are not going to discuss. We are not going to discuss indicators today. So here we have indicators. And when we shall come to indicators, we shall see how we set them up. I hope I'm done with my introduction. Up here, we have chart settings. If you are, whatever I did, you can have them here on your top right of your screen if you are using a PC. So I think basically, the other thing I think I've not talked about is just one or two. Down here on your screen, you have the star. This one, the star. I think there are two things I've not talked about. For example, I have already picked the tools I like, these ones. And I'm drawing support and resistance like we are going to see. If I want to stay in the drawing mode, I'll come here and pick the drawing mode. So it will remain on my screen. So I can be able to, I can pick this. So I lock the drawing mode so that anytime I want to draw, I don't go back to pick the tool again. So it is already on my chart because I've ticked here on the drawing that has a padlock. Then, if I want to move this, I tap on it. Now let me remove off this. I tap on it here. I tap on this. Let me see. So if I want to move this, so I tap on it. I don't know. I don't know why it's not working out, but maybe next time I will figure out. Okay. So I can tap on it. And when I tap on it, basically I can duplicate this. So I tap on it. I hope it has worked. I thought it was my PC with a challenge. I think it's my PC with a challenge. I need to do it when it works out. So basically, I can remove these tools from my chart and I can transfer these tools anywhere. I just tap on my cursor and then I move them anywhere I want. And I can be using them as I analyze my market. Basically, then I can also delete. I can delete all drawings from my chart. Basically, I think those are some of the few things that I have not talked about when it comes to this. The last part, I think I've done everything. I think I've done everything of the most important things that I needed to share with you. This is just a full screen if I'm looking for a full screen view. This is just a full screen view if I'm looking for that. So I think I have done everything when it comes to this. And I hope to see you tomorrow for serious business. And I'll be using these tools concurrently. I'll be using them concurrently. And I'll be picking them whenever I want to use them. So thank you so much. Unless you have a question for those so far few things I've discussed. But from my side, I'm done with this topic. Maybe tomorrow, I'm now going to start off. Uh, I'm now going to go into fundamental analysis. What is the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis? Okay, tomorrow I'll take a deep dive into fundamental analysis and technical analysis, and I'll be giving you different tools that you could use for both fundamental analysis and technical analysis. With that said and done, I want to wish you a nice day and love you all and bye bye bye. Someone is asking which candles are good for technical analysis. No more candles. Thank you so much, friends, and I basically wish you a fantastic cannibalistic day. Bro, repeat on those candles. What do you want me to repeat? I told you they are Hackinash candles. Uh, they are Hackinash candles. They do not provide a current price. They provide the average price of the coin. They usually be flat at the bottom with green candles to show you continuation of the uptrend. And they usually form, they are flat. The red candles are flat to show you continuation of the market moving down. Someone is saying, some of the features on the PC analysis are only for on the PC. I think they're on your phone, but they're on your phone also. I just use the PC to give you a wider spread. If you want to find them on your phone, there are three dotted lines, I think, at the bottom of your chart. That's where you find those drawing tools. Three dotted lines at the bottom of your phone, that's where you find the drawing tools. You will find them there. And when we shall be doing our analyses here, we shall try to use phones and show you if you cannot see them accordingly. Where can I find a driving mode on the mobile phone? What's the driving mode? What is the driving mode? I don't understand the driving mode you're talking about, my brother. What do you mean by driving mode? What do you mean by a driving mode? Uh, I'm accessing TradingView via the website. Where do I find these charts? You need to download and register an application called TradingView. When you were drawing support and resistance, but I haven't talked about support and resistance personally. Wait for that class. I hope you'll be able to understand it better. Those are drawing tools that I have discussed in the previous lesson. Please say pardon on the app you are saying. I recommend you friends to go to the Crypto Ambassadors YouTube channel. All these classes are there so that you can go through them if sometimes you come in when you are lost. Isn't it the Hackinash candles lagging since they provide an average price? It's not an indicator. Lagging just means they do not provide what is happening currently in the market. I hope you are right. I hope you are right. So someone who asked me the app, it is in your chat there. It's called TradingView. Any other question? Any other questions? Someone says, repeat for me the website. If you want to use the website, it's www.trading. Let me send you the link in the chat. Let me send you the link in the chat. Someone says, give me your names and your contact. Friends, me, I'm here just to teach. I'm not here to take advantage of anyone. Those who have been with me for some time, you know that. Those who know that. I'm not here to take advantage of anyone. My knowledge is free, it's not paid for. Those who know it, give me one in the chat. Those who know it, give me one in the chat. So if you come here, just know I'm not here to take advantage of anyone. So my names, my contacts, me, I just came here to teach. Yes, I'm not here to take advantage of anyone because someone invited you. No. So I'm not here. So people looking for me, I want to change up line here. I'm not here to take advantage of anyone. My knowledge is free, and your role is just to come in here. Me, I teach you for free. You don't need to look for me. It's not that I'm not available, but I don't want to take advantage. God has blessed me, and me, I'm here just to bless. I'm not here to take advantage. I want people to send people to the classes free of charge. Yes, good morning, Leader Loretta. Happy to have you here. I want people to send people to this training when they are not worried that someone will take advantage and then turn our people around. No, 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 no. People need to send their people here for training. Simple. Not to get worried that at the end of the call, Julius will share his number and then people come is in chat. No, 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 no. So, my friend, get back to the upline. The person who invited you. These classes are free. You don't pay for them, and we are just starting. So tomorrow we shall handle fundamental analysis, and I'll give applications that can keep you updated with the latest news, the latest information in crypto, and we get the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. When we shall be done with that. We shall now move in support and resistance. We shall start support and resistance and trend lines. Okay, support, resistance, and trend lines. Okay, support, resistance, and trend lines. Okay, that's where we shall go. Then we learn the bear trap, we learn the channels, we learn confirmations, we enter patterns. And I hope if God allows us by the end of this week, we shall be done with patterns. Someone who wanted, if you want to register TradingView, I'll just give you the link. This is my personal link. You can tap on the link and register. Okay, you can tap on the link and register for free. Okay, if people are looking for website, it's also there on that link. All right, friends, I wish you a nice day. Allow us come to the end of the call.